Hey everyone, today we'll learn how to manually clean the numbers. So here we have some leading zeros in column B and you might want to eliminate those. Yes, I agree that there is a simple method where you just select all the columns and select the number format and convert it to numbers. Yeah, but sometimes in a few situations, this technique might not work. So here you might work on to the manual way, which is simple, which is equals to value, select the value function, and here trim, trim, select the trim function. Now select the clean function, press tab to select. Now the cell address, that is B2. Close all the brackets, one for clean, one for trim, and one for value. Press enter, and there you go. All the leading zeros are been now eliminated. And about the first method, select the column and select the number format, and all the leading zeros will be eliminated. Sometimes it may not work as expected, right? So that's the reason we try the manual method. Now, with that, we have come to an end. Thank you. Hey everyone, today we have some data on my spreadsheet and we're going to use the rank eq function to organize these numbers in terms of ranks. So it is pretty simple. Just type in equals to and rank eq and press tab to select it. Now comparison cell, that is B2, and the range of cells, right? Now press F4 to freeze it, and now the descending, right? You need to assign according to ranks, right? So you'll be selecting the descending order. Now close the bracket and press enter. Now you can drag the same formula across all the cells and you'll have your individual ranks, right? That's how you use the rank eq function in Excel. Thank you. Hey everyone, today we will be using the right function to split the name into the first name and last name, but we are interested in printing only the last name here. So this can be done only using the right method. Yeah, I agree that we can also do it with flash fill, but let's try to use the right function. Now select right and the text, that is A2. Now the length of A2, select length of cell A2. Yes, define function, find what, that is space, in which text, that is A2, how many number of spaces, 1, close the bracket, and now close the entire right function. Press enter, and there you go. Now apply the same formula to all the cells, and you have now splitted the right side, which is the last name of all the names present in column number A. Thank you. Hey everyone, today we will be learning the VLookup function in Excel. So we will be using the VLookup function to find out the designation and salary of the employees which are present here. So we have a drop-down list here. This can be created using the data validation in Excel. We have a separate tutorial on that. Now let's get started with VLookup. Type in equals to VLookup and press tab to select the function, and here the lookup value. The lookup value will be the cell which you're looking for. Right here it is D13. Now, comma, the table array. Select the range of arrays which you want to look into. You can select anything. So I am selecting here B, C, D columns. Now, what is the column index number? I mean, which number column? So which is the column you want to look into according to the current selection? So since we need designation according to the current selection, the column number is number 3, right? Which is the designation according to the current selection. Okay. Now the last parameter, that is if you want the approximate match or the exact match. Let's select exact match here. For that you need to press the lower arrow key and press on tab to select, close the function and press enter. So here you have the designation of Mike as senior manager. Now if you select Tony, you can see that he is the CEO. Now let's select another one, that is Tom. He is into the marketing department. Similarly, we can apply the same for salary as well. So equals to VLookup, press tab to select, and lookup value, that is D13, array, which is this one, and the number column, which is 2 according to the current selection, and the last one is exact match. Press tab to select, close, enter. So the salary is 21,000. Now let's see Jennifer. So she is an intern and her salary is 12,000. So that's how you use VLookup function in Excel. Thank you. Hey everyone, today we will learn about column sum and row sum. Now what is row sum? Now when you add the elements in row wise, that is called the row sum. And when you add the numbers in the column wise, that is called the column sum. Now it is pretty simple. You just have to use the sum function here and you will get the row function, right? And you need to select the range and press enter. So you have this row sum. Now you can drag this to all the way to the bottom and you have it. And now similarly the column sum. So here the summation function again and all the numbers. Close the bracket, enter, and you can drag the same formula and here. Now would you believe me if I said you that this can be done within just 2 keystrokes of your keypad? Yes, that can be done. So it is very simple. Just eliminate this and I'll show you how it is done. Now select the row here and using the control key and mouse pointer, select these cells as well. Now the shortcut key, that is Alt plus equal to. There you go. You have the column sum and row sum all together within 2 keystrokes of your keypad, that is Alt plus equal to. Now ignore this number in G12 and you have your row sum and column sum right on your screen. Thank you. Hey guys, today we will learn how to flash fill in Excel. Let us imagine that we have this data and your manager asked you to separate the first name and last name. So we will write John and here Connor. So if we do it manually, it's going to take the end of the day. So what's the simplest step? That is press Alt E and here Alt E. So this is the flash fill in Excel where you can add all the first names and last names, splitting them into 2 different columns. Thank you. Hey guys, today we'll learn how to add currency logos to the numbers. Today we have some data on my spreadsheet, that is names and their salaries. Now we need to add the currency logo to all these numbers, right? So how do we do that? Just select all the data, go to the number formatting here and select on currency. Now you might be receiving the rupees, that is in India. If you want to add dollars, how to do that? Simple. Go to more number formats and here in the symbol, select the drop down menu and you have a wide variety of currencies here. Now if you wanted a dollar, you can select as English dollar, United States. Press OK and there you go. You have dollars. Thank you. Hey everyone, today we have some data on my spreadsheet which is about account numbers and I can see that it is a little difficult to read. Now if you had placed space between every 4 digits, it would have been a little easier to read. So how to do that? Go to format cells and go to custom and erase anything you have here and type in 4 zeros with a space and another 4 zeros with a space and another 4 zeros. So you have all your 12 numbers of all the account numbers here and press OK. Now you have spaces between each 4 digits. So that's how you use the custom formatting in Excel. Simple, right? Thank you. Hey everyone, today we will try to add the weekdays of a calendar using Excel. You might be wondering that the quickest way is to drag the date and you'll get all the dates. No. This will include the weekends as well, Saturdays and Sundays, and we don't want them, right? So for that, go to the fill option here, select series, and here select columns because we need our dates in the columns. Select weekday, step value will be 1 and the stop date will be 01/08/2023. Now select OK and there you go. You have all the weekdays only. So here you can see there we have a gap of some days between the 5th of August and 8th of August, that is 6th and 7th are missing, which are the weekends, right? Thank you. Hey everyone, today we learn how to add sequential numbers to the data. So let's add the sequential numbers. Select ID. Now here, let's type in ID 1, ID 2. Right, this is going to be taking a lot of time. What if we had a method to add all the details automatically, right? So that can be done. Okay, type in equals to and the data you wanted to add, that is ID space, and here ampersand and sequence. Press tab to select the sequence function, and inside sequence type in count A. Press tab to select the function, and here select the entire column. You can either select a range or you can select the entire column. So for safer side, I'll be selecting the entire column. Now close the brackets, press enter. Now here, when you type a new name, automatically ID will be added for it. Let's try to add a name. And now another name. You can see that the indexes are automatically added, right? So this is how you automatically add sequenced numbers to your data. Thank you. Hey everyone, today we have some data on my spreadsheet. And we all know in Excel, all the data you type in is considered as a database by default. Now, if you wanted to convert that database type of data into a table, how do you do it? It's really simple. All you need is the shortcut key, that is Ctrl T. Select any cell in the data and now press the shortcut key Ctrl T. Now you will have a small dialog box on your spreadsheet which will ask you if you want to convert your data into table. So press OK for that, and before that make sure that you need to click on this icon, that is my table has headers. Since we have headers, just click on that and press OK. There you go. Now your data has been successfully converted into tabular format. Simple. Thank you. Hey everyone, today we have some data on my spreadsheet, that is minutes, and we want to convert those minute numbers into hours. How to do that? It is simple. Just use a convert function. Equals to convert. Press tab to select the convert function. Now select the cell, that is A2, and in which format do you want to convert it? So currently we have it in the form of minutes, so we need to type in minutes MN for that. And into which format do you want to convert it into? We want it into hours. So select HR for hours and close the bracket. Press enter and it will be converted into hours. Drag the same formula across all the cells and you have the minutes into hours. Simple. Thank you. Hey everyone, today we will try to convert the text format into the number format. Here we have some data on my spreadsheet in the column number 1. This is text format, but we want any number format. How to do so? So select all the cells and you can see the simple warning here. Just click on the drop down menu and convert to number. This will help you to convert the text format into number. Now let's quickly undo it. Now let's try the next idea, that is Alt A E, right? This will open the wizard and here you can just select on next, next and finish. So you have that in the number format again. Now another easiest way is to just multiply the numbers with the number 1. That is a cell A2 into number 1, press enter. Now you can drag down the same formula to all the cells and you have the number format. Easy. Thank you. Hey everyone, today we will learn how to convert the yard units to meter units. So in the column A we have in yards and in column B we need to convert the same data in meters. So for that we will be using the convert function. Type convert and press tab key to select the convert function. What's the number? That is A2 and into which format? So first it is in yards format, right? So we need to type in which format it is, that is YD for yards. and into which format do you want to convert? That is meters, right? So type in M for meters and now close the bracket, press enter. There you go. Now 25 yards is equals to 22.86 meters. Now drag the same formula and you have all the meters data of the data which you have in A column, right? Thank you. Hey everyone, today we'll try to find out the time difference in hours between the two different timing and dates given in the columns A and B. So the trick might be simple, just type in equals to and select the B cell minus the A cell. Press enter and here you can find 1.41 or some odd number. It is not in terms of hours. So how can you calculate in terms of hours, right? So it's really simple. Right click, go to format cells and in here go to custom and just ignore anything which is present here. Eliminate all of that. Type in a square bracket, type H and that represents hours. Now the next one is minutes. Now the next one is seconds if you want it. Press OK and there you go. You have the time difference between the two different dates or timings in terms of hours. We have 33 hours and 57 minutes. Simply drag that formula to all the cells and you have the same time difference between all the cells given. Thank you. Hey everyone, today we have some data on our Excel spreadsheet. So it is all clumsy and tight, it is not clearly visible and it is not readable. You might be wondering, is there a way to format it quickly? Yes. So Ctrl A to select all the data and now the shortcut key. Alt plus H, O, I. So this will format your columns. Now again, Alt plus H, O, A. This will format your rows. So this was simple shortcuts used to format all your rows and columns on your Excel spreadsheet. Thank you. Hey everyone, today we learn how to highlight blank cells in Excel. Select any blank cell, go to conditional formatting, select new rule and here select the second option. Here select the blanks and here go to format. Select any color you want and press OK. Press another OK and here you can see only one cell is being highlighted. To highlight all the cells, go to conditional formatting again. Now manage rules and select the entire range and press OK. There you go. Thank you. Hey everyone, today we will learn how to highlight duplicates in Excel. So here we have two lists. So select the entire list. Go to Home. Here go to Conditional Formatting, Highlight Cells, and here the duplicate values. So here you can see the duplicate cell values are already been highlighted. Now, if we want to eliminate the duplicate cells, you can also do that. Select the entire range, go to Data, and here you have an option called Delete Duplicates or Remove Duplicates. Just click on that and all the duplicate cells will be eliminated. Press OK. And you can see the Microsoft Excel is saying 3 duplicate values are found and removed. 17 unique values remain. Thank you. Hey everyone, welcome back to the Excel tutorial. Now in this tutorial, we will learn about how to repeat a task in Excel using a shortcut key. For example, let us try to highlight the students with percentage above than or equal to 80%. So here I have selected a particular cell range. I have highlighted it as green color. Now we have a few more students. Now you cannot do this every time, right? So instead of that, if you press Ctrl Y as the shortcut key, it will automatically repeat that particular task for you. Again, there is one more shortcut key which will help you here. So you can simply press the key F4, which is the function key F4, to repeat that particular task for you, right? So this way you can highlight cells or you can bold some text or you can italic some text or whatever the action you made, you can do that just by pressing the key Ctrl Y or function key F4. So thank you. Hey everyone, welcome back to the Excel tutorial. Today we will learn a simple shortcut to repeat our last action. For example, consider that you wanted to highlight students with percentage greater than or equal to 80% with green color. So this is your action, right? So you cannot select all the students manually and color them manually. So there is a simple shortcut. All you need to do is select the text and press the shortcut key Ctrl+Y, or there is also another shortcut where you can just press the function key F4 to do it for you. So this is how you do the last action repeat in Excel. Thank you. Hey everyone, today we have some data on my spreadsheet. So here you can see in the column A, we have some data, that is numbers and alphabetical data, right? It's a combination of both. Now your manager tells you to collect the data with numbers only, right? You cannot write down manually everything, that is 1001, 1002. It will take a lot of time, right? So what you can do is type in equals to, select the cell into 1. Now you can drag this into all the cells and you'll have some value errors, right? So you can remove these value errors and keep only the numbers by small modification to the formula. So all you have to do is use the if function again. Here you have some variety of ifs. Select the if error function, press tab to select, and here after the formula is done, if there is an error, what do? Simply replace with it a blank space. Done. Close the bracket and press enter. Now you can drag this formula to all the cells and there you go. All the error values are replaced by blank spaces and you are remained with only the number values. Thank you. Hey everyone, today we will be learning how to use if function in Excel. Now we have some data on my spreadsheet and we will be deciding if the students have passed the exam or not using the if function in Excel. So simply type equals to if and press tab to select the if function. Now the logical function, that is, if cell B2 is greater than passing marks, that is 35. Now the logical function is done. Now if true, we need to type in as pass or print as pass. If not, we need to print fail. Right? Now close the function, press enter. So there you go. Now just drag this to all these cells and you can see the results, that is pass or fail using if function in Excel. Thank you. Hey everyone, today we have the user IDs and followers. So this is a little difficult to understand. So let's convert them into millions. All you have to do is right click, go to format cells and here go to custom, and instead of all this, try typing hashtag dot 00 and here try to type in capital M for millions. Now press OK. So there you go. Instead of all the numbers, you have millions. Thank you. Hey everyone, today we have a list of students and their examination presents. So you can see a few cells are left blank because the students did not attend them. Now your responsibility is to fill all the blank cells with the keyword A representing absent. So how do you do that? Select all the cells, press Ctrl G to activate go to options, go to special, select blanks and press OK. Now all the blank cells are selected. Type in the keyword A for absent and press the shortcut key, that is Ctrl Enter, to enter A in all the blank cells. So that's how you do it. Thank you. Hey everyone, today we'll try to print the dates in form of days. Let us assume that this particular dates are been given to you and you're asked to print them in the form of weekdays. Right? How to do that? It's really simple. All you need is text function. Press tab to select it and press the cell. And now type in D. Close the bracket and press enter. There you have the weekdays. Now drag the cell and you have the weekdays for all the dates. Thank you. Hey everyone, today we will be learning how to copy paste only the visible cells without having to use the go to option in Excel. Is that possible? Yes, all you have to do is select the rows that you don't want to copy paste. So I'll select the cells from row number 6 to row number 11 and I'll hide them. Now quickly press the shortcut key, that is Alt semicolon. Now select the cells that you want to copy paste, Ctrl C, and paste them wherever you want, Ctrl V. Voila! Thank you! Hey everyone, today we will be learning about customized cell formatting in Excel. Let us assume that you wanted to share this data with your colleague and according to company policies, you cannot share salary details. So, is there a way to make it invisible? Yes, without having to delete or hide the column. So select the cells, right click, select Format Cells, and in this, go to Custom and instead of General, type in semicolon, semicolon, semicolon and press OK. Voila, the data is now invisible. Thank you. Hey everyone, today we will learn another trick in custom formatting in Excel. So let us assume that we wanted to add +1 or the country code to these four numbers. All you have to do is right click, go to Format Cells, select Custom Formatting, and here, instead of General, type the country code, space, 10 numbers, right? So 10 zeros, and press OK. There you go, the country code has been added to all the four numbers. Thank you. Hey everyone, let us assume that this data has been given to you and you are asked to filter out only the Intel processes. How is it done? It is really simple. All you have to do is select the filter function, press tab to select it, and now select the range of processors. Press function key F4 to fix the range. Next, select the range of manufacturers. Press function key F4 to fix the range, equals to Intel. Close the bracket, press enter. There you go. Thank you. Hey everyone, today we have some data, that is the manufacturer and the processor name. So we have Intel, Asus and AMD manufacturers and their processors on the P column. Now we will be using the filter function to organize them. So it is really simple. All you have to do is type in filter, tap to select, and the first range, that is the processor's range, and then press the F4 function key to fix the range. Now comma, now the manufacturers. Again, the function key F4 to fix the range. Now equals to the Intel. Close the bracket and enter. Similarly, you can copy paste the formula by replacing Intel with Asus. Press enter and there you go. Thank you. Hey everyone, today we will understand the importance of function key F2. So when you don't have your mouse pointer working, then you can use the function key F2 to edit any cell. And apart from that, if you wanted to find out the formulas behind a cell, then you can press the function key F2 and find out which cells are involved in that formula and how is the formula being implemented. So that's the importance of function key F2. Thank you.